How many times have you watched videos like this on how to break ruts but actually never break it? I'm going to give a method to become extremely consistent, and it's not the same advice as Hamza. This method is a little tough to do, but genuinely if you do it, you could be disciplined for the rest of your life. See, the reason you enter ruts is because of your internal monologue. Yes, so check for a moment, what is the probability for an external factor to cause you to be less disciplined? बहुत कम है. It's very very small. You need to change your internal monologue, the voice inside your head now, वही. And I did this myself very very recently. I was stuck in a rut. I was playing video games. Imagine that. I was playing video games. I was watching anime. I was watching random ass YouTube videos. I was listening to the same advice, everyone saying change your self-image, and I've said that too. But I was like, it's not working for me, right? And then I honestly asked myself, why? क्यों कर रहा हूँ मैं? Why am I doing this? And the answer instantly clicked in my mind was because a part of me didn't actually want to be an entrepreneur. A part of me still wanted to be the video gamer, to be the fapper, to be the anime watcher. Because you're 17 ना, तो तुम्हें मजा करना चाहिए life में. But honestly, then I asked myself, why does this part of me still want to be a child? Why? Why? And it took me a few days to think, but then I came to an answer. It was because that part of me did not actually want to grow up, because after lockdown सब कुछ इतना fast चला गया that I didn't have the time to experience what is childhood. So part of me was still like, oh my god, I cannot be that because I don't want to be an adult, because I'm scared to be an adult, because I'm scared to take up responsibilities. And then it clicked to me like, oh shit, there is no point in changing my self-image if I don't change, if I don't even understand my own self. And after you understand your own self as to why you're doing a certain behavior, it's very, very easy to correct it. So I want you to ask yourself these questions too. Ask yourself, why are you doing what you're doing? And then keep on asking why until you reach an answer. Because right now, if I want to waste time, I tell myself that, listen, Rohit, it's okay to grow up. You don't have to be scared. And it somehow gives me that comfort that will change it all for you. So find that answer yourself, because that's going to help you be disciplined for a very, very long time. But there is also one thing you can do, that is to find your own limiting beliefs, and click here to know how to do that. Don't sacrifice your future self for the pleasure today. Peace.